Maybe you're preparing for IELTS. Maybe you're reading books in English. You also may be watching films and YouTube videos with or without subtitles, and you can understand everything. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. Don't worry, I see this all the time. In this video, I'm going to explain why this happens, why it is completely normal, and what you can actually do to start speaking English with confidence. If this is happening to you, I want to leave one thing clear. You're not bad at English. In fact, I've seen this happen to very good students. The problem isn't effort. It's how that effort has been directed. So please, don't think that you're the problem. Another reason this problem is so common is fear of judgment. You probably think that native speakers are going to judge you, but they're not. A native speaker is not checking your grammar. He just wants to understand you. And anyway, if you're learning a second language, that's something to look up to. Anybody with positive energy is going to look up to you. They're never going to be checking your grammar. Believe me. Another thing I want you to understand is that speaking is just like a muscle. Speaking is not something you understand. It's something you train. For example, you can know everything about fitness, but if you don't go to the gym and train your muscles, you're not going to be fit. English speaking works exactly the same way. Most learners are constantly training, listening, writing, reading, grammar, but speaking, not enough. Without realizing it, you become very good at understanding, but completely untrained at speaking. You want your English to be perfect, and that's impossible at the beginning. Most of you only want to start speaking English when you feel your English is good enough. Well, let me say something. That moment never comes. If you say a sentence wrong with grammar mistakes, that's not important. Just say what you've got to say with the level of English that you've got today. If you're understood, then great. That's what we want, to understand you. Another good solution is to practice speaking even when you're alone. And you're probably thinking, well, how am I supposed to do that if I've got nobody to speak to? Well, we're very lucky nowadays because we've got ChatGPT. You can use AI as a speaking partner. You could describe your day to ChatGPT. You can practice conversations with ChatGPT. You can make mistakes with no fear, and ChatGPT will correct you. You can actually ask ChatGPT to correct you. There's also very good apps to practice your English speaking. I'm not trying to sell any of them to you. I work with a few, and honestly, they have AI incorporated, and it's really good to practice your speaking. But you don't really need those apps 100%. You could do it on your own with ChatGPT. Use AI. Use AI efficiently, not just to copy paste. Another reason why you're not developing your speaking skills is because you need more contact with the language. Immersion is extremely important, but not any kind of immersion. You need proper immersion. Watching series that you can barely understand is not the solution. Real immersion and understanding happens when you understand everything, you see language in context, and you connect words to real situations. That's why comprehensible input is a great way to be in contact with English. English you can understand, and English your brain can relax with. I have started to create comprehensible input vlogs to help you with this problem. They're not the final solution, but I do think it can really help. You're going to be immersed in the language, and you're going to learn chunks of language, which is very important. Stop thinking about grammar. Go and check my real life vlogs and learn English the natural way. I really think it can help you with your speaking progress.